You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these phrases. And yes, if you're doing it, yes, it's a good thing to do. This fasting is good, healthy. If you want to learn more food names, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you too. The British English pronunciation is as intermittent. Intermittent. The stress is on the me syllable, the third syllable. Intermittent fasting. Now, the American English pronunciation, the way it's pronounced in the US, is more as intermittent. Intermittent fasting, American English pronunciation, or intermittent fasting. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.